A big question for homeowners when deciding to go solar is whether to choose microinverters or a string inverter. The answer for what is best for you really depends on the specifics of your project. To cover the basics, the function of an inverter is to convert the direct current your solar panels produce into alternating current so that you can use the energy in your home. A string inverter functions in a series circuit while a microinverter functions in a parallel circuit. Simply put, a standard string inverter will cap the electricity production of each panel by the lowest producing panel on your roof. A microinverter, on the other hand, will take full advantage of the production of each individual panel. Therefore, the functionality of a microinverter does outperform the string inverter, but is it worth the extra cost? If your solar system is facing multiple angles, say some panels are facing south, some east, and some west, then microinverters are the way to go. Also, if you have shading issues from trees or a large chimney, again, microinverters would be best. In these situations, the solar panels will be producing different amounts of electricity at different times of the day, but microinverters will ensure that you harvest all of that energy, while with a string inverter, you will lose some of this production. If you have a solar system where all the panels face the same direction and you have marginal shading issues, then your best bet is to go with a string inverter. You'll essentially get the same production without paying the higher cost. Optimizers are an option for string inverters as well. Optimizers function very similarly to a microinverter. With an optimizer, you'll still have your string inverter, but you will have optimizers for each individual panel combating the production differences. The cost of optimizers falls in between that of the microinverter system and the string inverter system. Microinverters and optimizers also offer an additional perk in system monitoring as well. With both of these devices, you'll have the ability to track the production of each individual panel, while with a standard inverter you can only track the production of the entire system. If you were to expand your system in the future, microinverters are simple to add on one at a time. However, with a string inverter, it would cost more to add another full unit. To sum it all up, microinverters are definitely a value add, but are only recommended if you have panels facing multiple directions or if you have shading issues. Otherwise, the less expensive string inverter is the way to go.